Okay, so I made the Steve head, and it sounds amazing. I don't think it sounds like Steve, probably. But anyways, I thought I would go through how it turned out. I kind of hurried up on the sides. I think on one side I actually ended up with 7 blocks instead of 8, but I don't know if anybody's going to really notice. It was a lot of work actually to get the different tones here. But we'll see what the kids think. I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, I started out with lighter tones, kind of worked them in, and then used different red, yellow, and then for the hair, I actually used some of my woodworking pigments and just took a bunch of colors. I didn't think I'd use some paint, and then just smeared it black with the black pigment. Um, but yeah, I'm happy with it. If you want to see more dumb stuff like this with the maker sources, like and subscribe. And hopefully we'll see you at the theater this Sunday.